In order to build a seat for the boat, I used a wooden plate, cut it in the size of the original seat, and apply a layer of leather to this hard wood board, and I used for this form and covered this with a piece of leather, and this is then fixed on the wood, and here it's already finished. I used for this purpose a stapler to fix the leather on the wood, and I also fixed these distance holder which give a distance to the original seat on the boat in order to allow the drying under the seat in case water splashes on the boat. So there's always a sort distance to the original wood seat, and the air can then flow underneath. I also drilled holes in certain position. You will see later how the pattern looks like if I finish it. This is done because I want to apply these buttons which I made from aluminium and painted them, and it's no joke, the same color like the hull of the boat, and they will be then used to give us nicer pattern on the leather. I turn it here that you see this is the situation before I apply the various buttons here in this fashion, and I will show you this later how I do this, and in the next short sequence. So now I show you how I fix this button. This is the button, this is a large needle, and this is a very strong sewing thread which I use to fix this button then on the leather. First we go from the back through this one of these holes. I start from the center, I go through this hole here, turn to the other side, the needle is so thick that I have to take it out here, the thread, and go by hand into it, put it back, and go directly through the same hole back to the button, to the other side. So in order to push the button really down, I press it with my finger and go with this thread here right away. Shoot two staples in it, make across a corner, again back, again, and again. So the first button is set. Now I do it with all the others the same way. So now I fixed all buttons from the back. You can see the typical pattern how this is fixed. And this is how it looks like. Finished. And now we will bring it to the boat and fix it on the original seat. So now the seat is installed. You see also the gap between the original seat and the new one, so that the air can always circulate, so there's no fungal development possible if it's dry under this leather, because this is real leather and not plastic. Yeah, and this is how it looks like, the pattern. And I hope Raphael in Paris, who came up with this idea and was complaining about the bad seat before this solution, Raphael, I hope that you like it now. Thank you for your open and fruitful comment, Raphael. Thank you very much indeed. It looks now, I think, much better. Amphora with a new leather seat.